And we're back. Porch is kind of nice. I don't know if we ever did walk through that room, but anyways, you have kind of whole window here. This you can actually take the screen off and walk in here if you wanted to. But that's kind of cool. Fence needs some love. It's old. It's from '72, and it's no longer. Oh shit! Yeah, so need to fix that. But yeah, you can see there's the old silver bullet. Here's how much it drops. You can kind of see sun's rising in the east. Here's the door, so we'll replace that door. This is all brick patio, so you would have, you know, walked out of here with those French doors, so it would have been really nice, I think. Porch, balcony, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So here's kind of where we were looking at, down from the porch. This is a basement apartment. It's currently nailed shut. Nobody can get in there. Yep. Free firewood. Yeah. That's cool. Oh. Oh. So you can see though, there's actually big giant rocks in here for a walkway down. And I think once upon a time this was landscaped really nice. Kind of evidenced by bricks and this rock that I'll probably never be able to move. Maybe it's a mini boulder. Mini boulder. So, you know, it needs some paint. There's all those shutters that can be put back on there, we'll see. But paint, it'll look nice. And I think there's some flowers in there. This is a interesting ornamental orange tree. You can see it's got some pretty big thorns. So I don't know if I'm gonna mess with that. We'll see. But anyways, you know, a few trips to the dump, drop off some yard waste. That's what I got an F-150 for. I think those are hostas. I don't know. Yep. Let's go back up. They're in actually bad shape. They just need to think of power washing. And a new sand and a stain. So, we'll go back inside real quick and show you the other room from the downstairs and all good. Kind of a cool wall. I think that was built, I don't know if you can see it with the light. '72. A lot of unique landscaping. I think I'm going to take all these bricks. And right now, if you look, there's like busted concrete is what this is landscaped with. So I think I'll just replace that with the brick. Make it look nice. Yeah, here's a nice curved walkway. And I don't even want to guess how much this slab of granite weighs. But yeah, you can see these ones are crushed concrete, so brick them. Make it look nice. And get rid of the ivy. Holy smokes. Last thing real quick. Yeah, so you go to the left into here then, and then it's the other side of the loft. It's interesting, you know, this is very almost Germanic looking with how that is done. You see that in Europe. It's funky. I'm not quite sure I like it. We'll see. You can see, nice timber framed. Pretty funky. Pretty funky how it's cut in there like that. And then this big giant bugger carrying that load. That's I don't know. It's pretty interesting. It's got something up to the roof to help. I think it should come down personally. But anyways, yeah. So this has, you know, no. Let me see. So he wanted a open 2-story kitchen down there. So that's why there's no. You can see the original beams from the house. This will get floored and made into a master bathroom. So this will be the master bedroom suite. That's about it.